Very good afternoon, students. Myself, L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, we have been studying Chapter 4 History, that is First City. What does mean by first cities? Means it refers to the urbanization of the civilization in the early time. First of all, human civilization was found on the bank of rivers, and also through the excavation and digging out the earth, the civilization was found there. About 5,000 years ago, the human civilization in well-planned manner was found through excavation on the site of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. So we can know in better way what type of advanced lifestyle was there before 5,000 years ago in the Indian subcontinent. Same thing we shall discuss. Much more things are mentioned there in your chapter, which will enable us to know the facts of the chapter. Now let's begin. During the early Stone Age, humans lived in caves, and by the Neolithic period, they had moved down to the river valleys. This is a clear indication of change in geographical location owing to climatic changes. This is fact. The early Stone Age was very hardship for the humans. In this civilization, people lived in caves, and their main activity was hunting. With the passage of time, man moved towards the river valleys. It indicates clearly of changing the geographical location owing to climatic changes. जो क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस है, जाग्राफिकल लोकेशन, भौगोलिक जो स्थिति है, उसके हिसाब से जो क्लाइमेटिक चेंज होते हैं, उस हिसाब से ये बहुत ही क्लियर इंडिकेट करता है कि अर्ली ह्यूमन जो है यहाँ से निकल करके और रिवर वैली की साइड में गया. If your family were to shift from one place to another, what factors do you think should they be keeping in mind? Suppose that if I and my family or anybody's family want to settle at some other places, so what type of factors you will keep in your mind to settle there? Can any of these be a governing factor in choosing their next habitat? क्या इसके पीछे कोई भी मेजर फैक्टर होगा कि हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा रहे हैं? What can be there? So we shall keep much more things in our mind. First, closeness to an ice cream stall, closeness to railway station or airport, closeness to a police station or a hospital, closeness to a mall or market, closeness to the office or school. Means these are some examples to be habited there. कि किस तरह का इसमें आप जो है जाग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स लोकेशन को आप प्रेफर करेंगे रहने के लिए. What can be the major reasons? As you have already read, people during the Neolithic age began to lead a settled life. Due to large-scale farming, they had excess food grains और surplus. जैसा कि आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, नियोलिथिक एज में मनुष्य जो है एक सेटल लाइफ शुरू किया था. दे डिड नॉट बिकम वांडरर एज अर्ली पीपल डिड सो. नाउ सम डेवलपमेंटल changes came in the human's life, and the main developmental change was the large scale production of food grains. They produce excess food और surplus food. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनके पास जो फूड आइटम प्रोड्यूस होने लगा जो पर्याप्त था इनके लिए. और इसमें जोड़ सकते हैं डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स ensured a regular supply of milk and meat, thereby making them less dependent on the earlier practices of nomadic hunting and food gathering. Now, food gathering and hunting became less useful for them as they gathered and they produced a regular supply of milk and meat. They also started domesticating the animals for their milk and skin purposes, thereby making them less dependent on the earlier practices of nomadic hunting and food gathering. As a result, a great change came about in their lifestyle and they started living as village communities. परिणाम में हुआ कि इनके जीवन में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया और ये एक जो है विलेज कम्युनिटी में रह के एक सेटल लाइफ को जीना शुरू किया. They were able to meet the challenges of taking care of their basic needs and devote more time to various other activities. Now they become more advanced and more devoted regarding their tasks and also started different types of activities except agriculture and domestication of animals. Thus, they steadily learned and mastered a number of crafts such as pottery making, spinning, weaving, etc. They also started such types of activities in their life. The craft of tool making also became more advanced. Discovery of metals such as copper further accelerated the march of progress attained by these people, including the discovery of copper, that is very precious metal and useful in different types of utensils and different types of production. They started making the things from copper. It resulted in a remarkable technological advancement, enabling them to specialize in new crafts such as smelting and making alloys. अब एलायस को जैसे लोहे का सामान है, एल्युमिनियम का, पीतल, इसको स्मेल्ट करने का, गला करके भी काम करने का तरीका आ गया. क्राफ्ट्स के बारे में इनको जानकारी हुई. परिणाम में हुआ कि ये ट्रांजिशनल changes come in their life. Agricultural society became much more advanced, took place in which towns and cities became the nerves of development and progress. This transition has been termed as urbanization. All such types of progress and developmental activities term this thing as urbanization. The process of urbanization essentially relates to the emergence of towns and cities due to the practice of food production and development of different crafts going hand in hand on the trail of progress. अब क्या हुआ, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जो इसका सर्कुलेशन था हैंड टू हैंड, ये प्रोग्रेस को ट्रेल करने लगा, पीछे करने लगा। अब जीवन इनका जो है बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो गया, कॉम्प्लेक्स लाइफ स्टाइल हो गई। Consequently, a type of barter system started, probably with craft persons exchange their products for food grains products by farmer. अब आगे जा कर के जो है एक दूसरी तरह का सिस्टम जिसको बार्टर सिस्टम कहते हैं वो शुरू हुआ। शायद जो क्राफ्ट पर्सन थे वो अपने सामान को फार्मर्स को देके उनसे एक्सचेंज करते थे गुड्स को, और ये इशारा करता है कि इससे व्यापार को बढ़ावा मिलता रहा। द ट्रेडर्स एंड क्राफ्ट पर्सन्स लिव्ड इन प्रॉक्सिमिटी एंड टुगेदर फॉर्म वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज दैट वेर लार्जर देन द रूरल कम्युनिटीज ऑफ देयर प्रोसीजर्स। और इससे मालूम होता है कि जो ट्रेडर्स और क्राफ्ट पर्सन्स थे वो एक साथ बहुत ही सलीके से तरीके से कम्युनिटी में रहने लगे, और रूरल जो कम्युनिटीज़ थे उससे बेहतर और अच्छे ढंग से। पीपल हु बिलोंग टू सच कम्युनिटीज शेयर कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस, रिचुअल्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस। These communities had distinct boundaries and administrative system that paved the way for the early towns and cities. Eventually, these developments combined together to get birth to the great ancient civilizations. In this way, we can say such types of development and different types of activities brought revolutionary change in their life. Thank you very much.